What happened to President Donald Trump's hands? Why was he hiding his own hands with a full-blown makeup cover-up? It is just a mere bruises, or it is a medical condition. Let's look at the mystery behind it. We also talk about the explanation White House gave concerning his makeup cover-up hand, and then we will tell you the actual truth behind this condition. You are watching the Lab Doctors channel. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share and comment. Taking a critical look at President Donald Trump's bruised hand, it looks like he had hit something to result into a bruised hand, or better still, he fell, or he's hiding a medical condition. There's an earlier explanation given by White House concerning President Donald Trump's hand. It's simple. They said his bruises is from handshake. Handshake from which people? From the public. I don't know if you are going to accept this explanation, but to me, it is a no. Do you accept this explanation from the White House? To me, it is a no. Let me know your thoughts from the comment section. Why am I saying no? I am saying a big no because this bruises looks a little bit old. It looks like it has taken 4 to 5 to 6, 7 days. And so this is the reason, or one of the reasons why I'm saying it is a no. Again, these bruises look like it comes from a shock heart hit. I earlier said I do not accept the explanation given to us by the White House because I strongly believe and think it is a medical condition. Yes, don't worry, we are diving into exactly that. There is a factual latest update from the White House concerning President Donald Trump's bruised makeup hand. But before we talk about in the latter part of the video, I want us to also understand one thing. There are a lot of factors that could also result into that. So let's first look at those factors before we talk about the actual medical condition of Donald Trump. At the back of Donald Trump's hand could be caused by trauma or injury. Injuries such as bumps or fall, or it could also be caused by actinic purpura, which is also called solar purpura. Solar purpura is a condition where the sun damages the skin with weakened blood vessels, bruises easily with minor impact. I hope you understand the reason why I want us to understand all these conditions, because it is leading us straight to the actual medical condition of President Donald Trump. Other causes could be blood thinning. Taking medications such as aspirin, warfarin, or non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs could lead you to this particular condition. We also have aging skin, arthritis, or blood disorder such as thrombocytopenia, that is low platelets count, and then hemophilia. So all these are medical conditions that can result into similar bruises Donald Trump is facing currently. For the comprehensive report from the White House, please, if you love our videos, kindly help us to grow by subscribing to our channel, liking our videos, and then sharing your comment in the comment section. From the White House, a comprehensive examination including diagnostic vascular studies and bilateral lower extremity venous Doppler ultrasound were performed. Let's look at their findings. It revealed chronic venous insufficiency, a benign and a common condition individuals over 70 years do experience. They also find out that there is no evidence of deep vein thrombosis or arterial disease. What this report means is that President Donald Trump is experiencing improper functioning of the vein in his leg, causing swelling and skin changes. The reason we see changes on his skin, if this is not treated, it could progress to leg ulcer. This also tells us that the color change we see on his hand might not be the only color change on his body. There might be other skin color changes on his body, especially his leg. On his medical report, it continued to say that there is a benign, but there is no blood clots in his deep vein. So this is the mystery and the hidden truth behind the reason Donald Trump did a makeup cover-up at the back of his hand. Can I assure you, this is the only YouTube platform you can get all these medical conditions vividly explained to your understanding. So kindly help us to grow together. Subscribe to our channel, share our videos, like and comment. You are watching the Lab Doctors channel. Till we meet again, bye bye.